Ever heard of the Samsung S24? It's the latest addition to the Samsung family, boasting an unrivaled artificial intelligence system. Animated tick appears on the diagram. Imagine a phone that learns your habits, adapts to your preferences, and even predicts your needs. That's what the Samsung S24 promises, and more. As a sports enthusiast, you'll appreciate health tracking features. Another tick appears on the diagram. It's like having a personal trainer in your pocket, keeping you on track with your fitness goals. And let's not forget the super fast charging. Tick appears next to the charging feature on the diagram. 0 to 100% in less than an hour. Perfect for those on the go. With its sleek design, tick appears next to the design feature on the diagram, and advanced technology, the Samsung S24 is more than just a smartphone. It's your personal assistant, fitness coach, and entertainment hub, all rolled into one. 3 ticks appear next to these features on the diagram. So, is the Samsung S24 the future of smartphones? It seems so. Stay tuned for more tech updates.